Hello students, good morning. Welcome to everyone to Hurvansar's classes. So students, our mathematics syllabus is too vast, too lengthy. So we will be getting videos not on alternate days but every day. So kindly cooperate with me and cooperate with school because syllabus of mathematics is too large that it can't be completed if we do the videos on alternate days. So every day you have to study mathematics even when you are in school. Then you are having mathematics period every day, not on alternate days. So kindly cooperate with me, with school, and give at least 3 or 4 hours of study every day. I hope you are staying well, you are staying healthy, and you are in high spirits. Thank you very much students. Let us start with today's class students. We continue with exercise 8D. We were on question number 13. In question number 13 it is given that log to the base 10x is equal to 2a log to the log to the base 10 y is equal to b by 2. So I write in the general form 10 raised to power 2a is equal to x. 10 raised to power 2a is x. This 2 will go there. 10 raised to power x, it will become 1 by 2. So 10 raised to power a is x raised to power 1 by 2, or I can write 10 raised to power a is root of x. Then 10 raised to 2b plus 1. So I from here 10 raised to power b by 2 is y. Now I have to make it 2b, so I have to multiply with 4. So 10 raised to power b by 2 raised to power 4 is equal to y raised to power 4. To make b by 2 2b, I have to multiply it with 4. So 10 raised to power b by 2 into 4 is y raised to power 4. 2 to the 4. 10 raised to power 2b is equal to y4. I want 10 raised to power 2b plus 1. It is equal to 10 raised to power 2b into 10. 10 raised to 2p is y4. So I put value of here y4 into 10. So 10y4. 10 raised to power 2b plus 1 mean 10 raised to power 2b into 10 raised to power 1. So 10 raised to power 2b is y4. So it will become 10y4. Then part 3. If log 10 p is 3a minus 2b, then we have to express p in the terms of x and y. So from here it is 10 raised to power 3a minus 2b is p. 10 raised to power 3a upon 10 raised to power 2b is p. 10 raised to power 3a can be written as 10 raised to power a raised to power 3. 10 raised to power 2b, put camera here. 10 raised to power 2b is equal to y4. That I can write directly is equal to p. Now 10 raised to power a is x raised to power 1 by 2. That is done earlier. 10 raised to power a is x raised to power 1 by 2. It is power 3 upon y4 is equal to p. So you multiply it, x raised to power 3 by 2 upon y raised to power 4 is p. That we have to do. We have to express p in the form of x and y. Then question number 14, log to the base 5 x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 plus log to the base 5 x minus 1. This will get subtracted in the left hand side. Log 5 x plus 1 minus log 5 x minus 1 is equal to 1. This minus will get plus here. Now log a minus log b is log a upon b is equal to log is equal to 2. Now it is 5 raised to power 2 is equal to x plus 1 upon x minus 1. 5 raised to power 2 is x plus 1 upon x minus 1. So 25 is x plus 1 upon x minus 1. I cross multiply. Is x plus 1. 24x is equal to 26. X is equal to 26 upon 24 or 13 upon 12. Then question number 15. Solve for x if log to the base x 49 minus log to the base x 7 plus log to the base x 1 upon 343 plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 I take to right hand side. These logs I combine. Log x 49, this is minus, this is plus, into 1 343 minus mean divided, so x will be 7 will become 1 upon 7 is equal to minus 2. I cancel them out. Log x 1 by 49 is equal to minus 2. It means x raised to power minus 2 is 1 upon 49. X raised to power minus 2. 49 can be 1 upon 49 can be written as 7 raised to power minus 2, because 1 upon 49 is 1 upon 7 square. This 2 will become minus 2 when it goes to the numerator. So x raised to minus 2 is equal to 7 raised to power minus 2. That means x is equal to 7. Then question number 16. If a square is log x, b cube is log y, and a square upon 2 minus b cube upon 3 is log c. Now a square is log x, right? Log x upon 2. B cube is log y. Log y upon 3 is log c. Now it can be written as 1 by 2 into log x minus 1 by 3 into log y is equal to log c. 2 will get into the power. Log x 1 by 2 log y 1 by 3 minus mean divide. So log x 1 by 2 upon y 1 by 3 is log c. Log cancels with log. So root x raised to power 1 by 2 can be written as root x, and cube root of y is equal to c. Here this is my answer. Then question number 17. Question number 17. X is log 10 12. It means 10 raised to power x is 12. Y is log to the base 4 2 into log to the base 10 9. Now here log to the base 10 is there, log to the base 10 is there. Here he has written log to the base 4. So all the bases are not same. So I have to find the value of log to the base 4. To let log to the base 4 2 is equal to m. It means 4 raised to power m is 2. 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2. M is equal to 2. 2 raised to power 2m. 2 raised to power 1. 2m is 1. M is 1 by 2. So here in place of it is value of log to the base 4 2 is taken as m, and m can be written as 1 by 2. So y is 1 by 2 log to the base 10 9. So I have found this value because base was not same. So I have found this value and put value here. Log to the base 4 2 is 1 by 2. So I put value here. So y is 1 by 2 log to the base 10 9. Z is log to the base 10 0.4. Students, now see that I made the bases equal. X is log 10, y is in the form of log 10, and z is in the form of log 10. Now I have to find x minus y minus z. X minus y minus z. Value of x is log to the base 10 12. Value of y is 1 by 2 log to the base 10 9. Value of z is log to the base 10 0.4. It can be written as log to the base 10 12. This 1 by 2 will go into the power. Log 10 9 raised to power 1 by 2. Log 10 0.4 can be written as 4 upon 10. Now 9 raised to power 1 by 2 is 3. Raised to power 1 by 2 means root. Square root of 9 is 3. So log 10 12. Again I say square root of 9 is 3. 9 raised to 1 by 2 means root of 9. So log 10 3 minus log 10 4 by 10. Now it will become log to the base 10 12. This 3 will go into the denominator, will get divided into 1 by 3. This is also minus, it will get divided, it will become 10 by 4. Because of division, this 3 will become 1 by 3, 4 by 10 will become 10 by 4 when I divide it. So 4 3 is 12, log to the base 10, it is equal to 1. If base is 10, then log 10 is 1. Then I have to find 13 raised to power x minus y minus z. Now value of x minus y minus z I found as 1. 13 raised to power 1 equal to 13. That is my answer. Then question number 18. Log to the base x 15 root 5 is equal to 2 minus log to the base x 3 root 5. That is 2 minus. So minus will become plus here. Log x 15 root 5 plus log to the base x 3 root 5 is equal to 2. Plus sign mean multiplication. So log to the base x 15 root 5 into 3 root 5 equal to 2. So it is log to the base x 15 into 3 45, root 5 into root 5 5, 45 into 5 is 225. So x raised to power 2 is 225. So 225 is square of 15. So x square is 15 square. That means x is equal to 15. That's my answer. So it's over for today, students. Stay well, stay healthy, stay inside. Don't come out of the houses and obey your parents. Give at least 4 or 5 hours of study. Thank you very much for today.